Economics. It's a term that might seem intimidating or even dull at first glance, but in reality, it's the fascinating study of how people make choices when resources are scarce. Sounds boring? Think again. Economics is everywhere, influencing every decision we make, from the groceries we buy to the investments we choose. Understanding economics is like having a secret weapon in the quest for wealth. It equips you with the knowledge to navigate the complex world of finance. It's about knowing how the world of money works and using that knowledge to your advantage. Imagine being able to predict market trends or make informed decisions about your investments. From Wall Street to Main Street, the principles of economics are at play, shaping the financial destinies of millions. These principles guide the flow of money, the rise and fall of markets, and the economic health of nations. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply looking to make smart investment decisions, grasping the fundamentals of economics can be your roadmap to financial success. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you, ensuring a prosperous future. Think about Warren Buffett. He's an investing legend who built a multi-billion-dollar empire by understanding the stock market. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, a self-made media mogul who used her business acumen to create a global brand. These are just two examples of individuals who have mastered the art of economics to achieve extraordinary financial success. Their stories are not just about luck or privilege, they are testaments to the power of economic understanding in building wealth. The stock market is like a vast ocean, full of opportunities and risks. Understanding how to navigate this complex landscape is essential for anyone looking to make money in this arena. It's not about picking random stocks and hoping for the best. It's about conducting thorough research, understanding market trends, and making calculated decisions based on solid economic principles. By learning the fundamentals of investing, diversifying your portfolio, and managing risk effectively, you can position yourself to ride the waves of profit in the stock market. Section 4. Real Estate Building Wealth. Brick by brick. Real estate is a powerful tool for building wealth, offering multiple avenues for financial growth. Real estate has long been considered a cornerstone of wealth creation. It provides opportunities for both immediate income and long-term appreciation. Owning property can provide a steady stream of passive income through rentals, which can be a reliable source of monthly cash flow, while also offering the potential for appreciation over time. As property values increase, so does your equity, enhancing your net worth. But it's not just about buying any property. The right investment requires careful consideration and strategic planning. The key lies in understanding market dynamics, evaluating property values, and recognizing trends that can impact future growth, and making strategic investment decisions. This involves thorough research and a keen eye for potential. By learning how to identify undervalued properties, negotiate favorable deals, and navigate the complexities of the market, and manage your real estate assets effectively, you can maximize your returns and minimize risks. You can build a solid foundation for long-term financial security. Real estate, when approached with knowledge and strategy, can be a game changer in your wealth-building journey. Section 5. Entrepreneurship. Turning ideas into gold mines. Entrepreneurship is the engine of innovation and economic growth. It's about identifying opportunities, taking calculated risks, and creating something new that adds value to the market. From tech startups to small businesses, entrepreneurs are driven by a passion to turn their ideas into profitable ventures. Understanding economics is crucial for entrepreneurs to make informed decisions about pricing, production, marketing, and overall business strategy. By applying economic principles to their ventures, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of success in the competitive marketplace. Section 6. The final word. Your economic journey begins now. The world of economics may seem complex, but it's a journey worth taking. It's a path filled with learning, growth, and the potential for great rewards. Every step you take toward understanding economic principles brings you closer to financial empowerment. With each new concept you grasp, you build a stronger foundation for your future. Whether you choose to delve into the stock market, explore real estate, or even both, or embark on an entrepreneurial adventure, the possibilities are endless. Each path offers unique opportunities and challenges. Remember that knowledge is your most valuable asset. The more you learn, the more equipped you are to make informed decisions, Embrace the power of economic understanding and let it guide you through the complexities of the financial world. Watch as it unlocks a world of financial opportunities, opening doors you never thought possible. The time to act is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start your journey today. Your economic journey begins today. Take that first step and embrace the adventure ahead.